Start with the magic circle and chain 1. The chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make one single crochet, chain 2. This is the first corner done. Now repeat this until you have total 4 corners. One single crochet, chain 2. That's the second corner done. One single crochet, chain 2. Third corner done. Repeat this one more time. One single crochet, chain 2. That's the fourth corner done. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet which you made. Next round, now skip the single crochet and we'll be directly working into this chain 2 space. Make one single crochet. This is the first stitch. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the same stitch. That's a corner made. Chain 1. Again skip the single crochet. We'll be working only into this corner stitches. Repeat the same for the corner. One single crochet, chain 2 and one single crochet into the same space. That's the next corner made. Chain 1, skip the single crochet. This is the next corner. Repeat the same. One single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet into the same space. Chain 1, skip the stitch and this is the last corner. One single crochet, chain 2 and one single crochet into the same space and chain 1. Now once you reach them, do not make a slip stitch. We'll be working in continuous rounds. Now this round onwards, we'll be working only into the chain 1 spaces and the corner spaces. This is the single crochet, skip the stitch. Now we'll be working directly into the corner space. One single crochet, chain 2, one single crochet into the same space. That's a corner made. Chain 1. Now this is the single crochet, skip the stitch and this is the chain 1 space. Make one single crochet over here. Chain 1. This is the single crochet, skip the stitch. Now we reach the corner. Make the new corner. One single crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet into the same space. Chain 1. Skip the single crochet. This is the chain 1 space. One single crochet, chain 1. You reach the corner. Make the new corner. One single crochet, chain 2 and one single crochet into the same space. Chain 1. Now continue with the stitches. Skip the single crochet. This is the chain 1. Now just keep repeating this round until it's around 10 inches in size. You'll be working only into this corner spaces and this chain 1 spaces. Make the new corner. One single crochet, chain 2 and one single crochet into the same space. Chain 1, skip the single crochet. This is the next chain 1 space. One single crochet, chain 1, skip the single crochet. This is the chain 1 space. Make the new corner. This is how it will look. Make a single crochet into the corner space, chain 10, make a slip stitch into the same space and weave off your yarn. This is how to look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.